Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. My name's John from Hydrospares and we're in sunny Cornwall, and we're just going to quickly talk to you about jets for your hot tub and replacing the jets in your hot tub. Here in this hot tub you can actually see we've actually done a clean and emptied it and done a flush and all of that, but we've actually come across a few broken jets, and so now's the opportune time to replace them. This one's actually got a broken diffuser. It's actually snapped off in there. So in order to find the right jet, the first thing is to remove the jet. You normally do this by unturning it, and then you'll get resistance, and keep turning it, and then you can unscrew and they come out. So looking at a complete one for a moment, there's two parts to a jet. You've got the jet body, which is mounted in the actual tub, and you've actually got the jet front, or sometimes known as the jet internal. And this can come with many different inserts. So this is I think they call this a pulse. They do ones with directional eyeballs. That aside, you need to identify the size, the diameter of it here, and also which diffuser it's got bolted to it. And the diffuser in this case is clear. Sometimes you might find a white one or a black one. So this is the bit that we need a picture of, and the bit you need to pay attention to on the website using our jet finder page, and to look at the style and design and any unique points, which will then guide you into which make a jet that it is you require. There's about 5 or 6 main different jet manufacturers. So what we do is we actually stock a range of what we call compatible jets, whereas it's just a plain stainless, clear diffuser, and just in the directional eyeball. And so you can see here, when you look at this, the diffusers all match up in the size. Don't worry if it's not identical to the actual diameter, but that diffuser is the most important bit. And again, if you look at the actual jet body and close in, you'll see that matches this jet make. And so yes, just remove your old ones, screw your new ones back in all the way, and then we've got quite a nice looking jet refitted in there. This one is the same thing. You see the eyeballs gone, unscrew it. This is a 3 3/8 one, slightly different size diffuser. Here we go, match up the diffuser, correct size, and then screw it in. If you are going to send us some pictures, please do send us a picture of the jet flat like that, showing the diffuser clearly, the front of the diffuser, maybe the height and a few details, and a picture of the actual front of the jet and any markings on the jet. Yeah, simply that. Head over to the website. There's plenty on there to choose from. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.